Could you tell us about KSIS? What kind of products and service it offers?
Okay, KSS is one of the leading global safety registration supplier. In China, we call it Baili, but in English, we call it Key Safety Systems. Today, we have about 9,000 employees globally, and we have 36 manufacturing facility and sales facility around globally. Actually, next week we're going to have one more facility adding to our list, which we're going to open our Indian plants. And we produce airbags, seat belts, steering wheel, electronics to almost every global OEMs.
Okay. Could you tell us about KIS operation in China and what are their roles in KIS, the global strategy?
Okay. Today we have the two joint ventures in China. One in Tianjin produces steering wheel. One in Shanghai we produce airbags, seat belts, steering wheel, and we have the China KSS company also provide the sales and engineering support for the local customer in China. As far as the China operation is part of the global integrated global operation of KSS. The main focus of a China operation is grow in China. Make sure we can capture the China market, can provide a product and a service to our customer here. But also, we would like to bring more product from China, export it to the other customer located outside, as long as they are competitive. But also, we're looking at to get the components from China to support the key safety systems, other operations. One of the things we're doing today is we are launching the major cushion cutting sew operation in Shanghai plants, which is YFK joint venture, which we will produce cushion, which is one of the most important part of the airbags, and we're shipping to Europe for other key safety plants for assembly.
In safety and service products, almost all global players have operations in China, such as Autoliv, TRW, and others. And there are also some local players like Dongfeng Jiule and Jinzhou Jinheng. What advantages does your company have to compete with global players and local competitors?
Okay. Yes, we like any industry, you have the competitors. In the same space we compete here in China, we have those companies you just mentioned. As far as the advantage we believe at the key safety, first, we are the first company to invest large scale R&D in China. I don't know if you have visited our joint venture tech center in Pudong, which is the largest one we put into China versus all the competitors. We bring the first tier, first world-class R&D facility in China with a high-G sled crush facility. Of course, our competitors start to follow up with that, and also in case there is no restraint to bring any new technology into China, and we are fast, we are flexible. So I think that's our advantage.
KSS have reached a strategic cooperation deal with Chery. What does this mean for your company?
I think it's not for our company, also for Chery Automotive. We believe Chery Automotive is a good company, growing fast, has a lot of potential. Of course, safety system is one of the important part of the car system. So we are very honorable to working with Chery to provide the technology product to them. Yeah.
When EMG acquired KSS some years ago, KSS has been in bankruptcy for 2 years, and it has lost about 40 millions. However, 2 years after the merger, KSS have achieved a double-digit net profit. So what's the magic power, or what made their turnaround?
Okay, I'm glad to answer this question. Actually, I'm the part of the turnaround team. We went into the bankruptcy in 1999. It's no different than other OEMs you see in US or Europe, because we're highly leveraged and has a lot of production capacity, don't have right focus. And from the 2003, this management team and our ownership has been really focused on the right area to improve the fundamentals of the business, customer, product, and also our global strategy. With all the efforts we put into the place, that's why we turned the company.
In recent years, more and more OEMs and auto parts businesses have been acquired by private equity funds. EMG also have a lot of experience in acquiring field business in energy, processing, and manufacturing sectors. So what impact would this kind of acquisition would have on automobile industry? And what benefit will Chinese automobile and auto parts sectors can get from these acquisitions?
I think now there's EMG is formal ownership of the Key Safety. I don't know if you know, in the March this year, we changed the ownership to another private equity fund called Crestview. As far as benefits the company gets from the private equity, a couple of things. First one, they bring the financial discipline into the company. A lot of companies get into trouble is because they don't have the financial discipline, and also can provide the capital, sometimes a good management to help the company to restore the profitability and the right strategy.
And what benefit can Chinese automobile and auto parts sectors can get from these acquisitions?
I don't know exactly how active private equity market in China. It's very active in US. The private equity funds normally provide the fresh capital for the company to grow, provide the right management people skill for help the company to turn around. I think in China, our situation is a little bit different today because typically China company particular supplier base are relatively small, so it's not that attractive to the large scale private equity firm at this point. It may come later. Yeah.
Chrysler and Chery have recently reached an OEM agreement. Does this herald the coming of more OEM productions in China's automotive industry?
I think so. Yeah. I think this is a good start. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Lord. Thank you for accepting Gasco interview.
No problem. Thank you.